Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about number patterns. See here, a rule will be given. With that rule we have to fill the numbers. The rule given here is the sum of each side of the triangle is 9. But the numbers is filled here already. But the rule given is the sum of each side of the triangle is 9. If we sum the numbers in each side of the triangle, it must be 9. See here, 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. In this side, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Here, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, with the rules, we have to fill the numbers. The second one, the sum of two numbers below is the number in the box above them. The sum of two numbers below, that is, we take two numbers below, we have to sum them. It will be 6 is the number in the box above them. Above the box, the number is 6. So, if we sum 2 plus 4, it is 6. If we sum 6 plus 4, it is 10. If we sum 6 and 10, it is 16. So, we have to fill the numbers using the given rule. But here numbers are filled. Now we are going to solve exercise 12.3. The first problem is complete the following patterns according to the given instruction. Here for first one, the rule given is use numbers from 1 to 7 such that the sum of the numbers in each line must add up to 12. We can use the numbers from 1 to 7. From 1 to 7 the numbers can be used, but the sum of the numbers in each line must add up to 12. So, if we sum the numbers in a line, it must add up to 12. Here, use the numbers from 1 to 6 such that the sum of the numbers on each side of the triangle must add up to 20. So, in each side, it must add up to 20. So, this is the given rule. Now, we are going to solve. First, we have to use the numbers from 1 to 7 only. So, let us start from the below. Six plus 5 is 11. So, we can write here 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Now, write here 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now we have to complete this line. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we need remaining 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have completed this by using numbers from 1 to 7. And in each line it adds up to 12. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is also 12. Next here, we have to use the numbers from 1 to 6. And it must add up to 10. So, let us start from 5. Here it can be 5, 4, 1. Complete here. It can be, here it can be, let us write 6 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, we need remaining 3. So, let us write 3 here. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, remaining we need 2. So, write 2 here. 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, we have completed by filling the numbers using the given rule. The second question is complete the following number towers. For number towers, what should we do? We should sum the two numbers in the below and add and put it in the above. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Here 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. 10 plus 8 is 18. So the number in the above is the sum of two numbers below. That is the rule for number tower. The number in the above is the sum of two numbers in the below. Now sum 6 and 10. It is 16. 10 plus 14 is 24. 14 plus 18. 4 plus 8 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it is 32. Now add 16 and 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 is carried to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 40. Here 24 plus 32. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So here it is 56. Next we have to sum 56 and 40. 0 plus 6 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it is 96. In this way we have to fill the number towers. The third question is complete the following pattern such that the sum of the numbers increases by 5. Here the sum should be going on increasing. If the sum is 5 here, next here should be 10, there it should be 15 and there that should be 20. So the sum should be increasing by 5. First fill the numbers with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So here the sum should be 20. Now fill the numbers such that it sums up to 20. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Here if the sum is 20, here it should be 25. Now fill the numbers with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25. Here the sum should be 30. So let us fill the numbers with 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30. So we have filled the number pattern so that their sum increases by 5. The fourth problem is write the next three numbers in the given pattern. Here the pattern is 1, 4, 9, 16. The difference in between 1 and 4 is 3. Here the difference between 9 and 4 is 5. The difference between 16 and 9 is 7. So next the difference must be 9 because they are all odd numbers. So the next odd number is 9. So we have to add 9 to 16. So it will be 25. 25 minus 16 is 9. So the order is correct. Next we have to add 11. The next odd number is 11. So we have to add 11 to 25. So it is 36. Next the odd number is 13. So we have to add 13. If we add 13, the number will be 49. So we have filled the pattern. Next 156, 78, 76, 38. Here a hint is given, divided by 2, minus 2, divided by 2, minus 2. In this pattern it is there. If we divide it by 2, 78 will be the answer. Reduce 2 from this, it will be 76. Again divide 76 by 2, it will be 38. Next we have to reduce 2. So it will be 36. From here to here it is division. From here to here it is subtraction. From here to here it is division. So again we have to subtract. That is 2. We have to subtract it by 2. Because the clue is given here. Next we have subtracted. So the next step is we have to divide it by 2. Divide 36 by 2. 1 2 is 2. Remaining we are having 1. So 8 2s are 16. So it is 18. So next we have to subtract 2. So it is 16. So we have filled the pattern. Next 4, 7, 13 and 25. The difference in between 7 and 4 is 3. Next their difference is 6. Next 25 minus 13 is 12. So what can you see in the difference? 3 is multiplied by 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Next 6 into 2 is 12. Next 12 into 2 is 24. So the difference must be 24 here. So add 24 to 25. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is 49. Next their difference must be into 2. 24 into 2. So 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 is 4. So their difference should be 49. So 48. So we have to add 48 and 49. Eight plus 9 is 17. Carry 1 to next place. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is 97. Next their difference must be 48 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have to add 96 here. So the difference must be 96. So we have to add 96 and 97. 6 plus 7 is 13. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So it is 193. Next, the clue for H is given. Add 1, multiply by 4. First we have to add 1 and then multiply it by 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. In this way the pattern goes on. So the first step is we have to add 1 and multiply it by 4. First add 1. So 84 plus 1 is 85. Next we have to multiply it by 4. 5 4s are 20. So 2 is remaining. 8 4s are 32, 33 and 34. So it is 340. Next we have to add 1 and multiply it by 4. So it is 341 into 4. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 is remaining. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the next number is 1364. Next 1365. We have to add 1 and multiply it by 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 is remaining. 6 4s are 24. So it is 26. 2 is remaining. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 is remaining. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 5460. Next, for J, a hint is given. Multiply by 3 and then add 2. We have to first multiply it by 3 and then add 2. Multiply by 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. In this way the pattern goes on. So next we have to multiply 53 by 3 and then add 2. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. With 159 we have to add 2. So it is 161. Next we have to multiply 161 with 3. 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18, 1 is remaining, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. We have to add 2 to that, so it is 485. Next we have to multiply 485 by 3. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 2 is remaining, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. We have to add 2 to that, so that it is 1457. This is the pattern. So in today's class we have learnt about number patterns. All the remaining problems will be homework for you. Thank you, students.